Parrots, with their dazzling plumage and captivating presence, have enchanted humanity for centuries. Their intelligence, coupled with their remarkable ability to mimic human speech, has solidified their position as one of the most intriguing creatures in the animal kingdom. But what is it about these feathered wonders that so captivates our imagination? Is it their vibrant colors that seem to paint the rainforest canopy? Or is it the way they seem to converse, their voices echoing through the lush foliage, mimicking the sounds of their surroundings and even the words of their human companions? In a world teeming with diverse and fascinating creatures, parrots stand out, beckoning us to unravel the mysteries behind their vocal prowess. Imagine standing amidst the vibrant tapestry of a rainforest, the air thick with humidity and the cacophony of life. Overhead, a flock of parrots erupts in a symphony of sounds, shrill whistles, melodic trills, and the uncanny echo of human laughter. This is the world of parrots, a world where communication is paramount, and vocalizations weave a rich tapestry of social interaction. From the depths of the Amazon to the islands of the Pacific, parrots have mastered the art of sound, using their voices not merely for survival but for expression, social bonding, and the transmission of knowledge. Unlike many other bird species whose vocalizations are largely innate and limited in range, parrots possess an extraordinary ability to learn and replicate a vast repertoire of sounds. At the heart of a parrot's vocal prowess lies the syrinx, a marvel of avian anatomy that sets them apart from most other bird species. Unlike the human larynx, which sits atop the trachea, the syrinx is nestled deep within the chest cavity, where the trachea branches into two bronchi. This unique positioning gives parrots exceptional control over their vocalizations, allowing them to modulate sounds with remarkable precision. Imagine the syrinx as a finely tuned musical instrument capable of producing a symphony of whistles, trills, and squawks. Two pairs of vibrating membranes, known as labia, control the airflow through the syrinx, much like the reeds of a clarinet or the lips of a trumpet player. By adjusting the tension and vibration of these labia, parrots can create an astonishing range of frequencies and sound qualities. While the syrinx provides the physical machinery for sound production, the true key to a parrot's mimicry lies in its brain. Just as humans rely on complex neural networks to process language, parrots possess specialized brain regions dedicated to vocal learning and imitation. These regions, found in a part of the brain known as the telencephalon, are remarkably similar to those found in humans and songbirds, highlighting the shared evolutionary roots of vocal communication. Within these neural pathways, auditory information is meticulously processed, analyzed, and categorized. When a parrot hears a new sound, whether it's the chirp of an insect or a human word, its brain goes to work dissecting the acoustic properties of the sound and storing it in its memory. This process, known as auditory imprinting, forms the basis for vocal learning. Section 3, Vocal Learning, a Complex Interplay. The process by which parrots acquire their impressive vocal repertoires is a testament to the power of learning and social interaction. Unlike many bird species, whose songs are largely innate and determined by genetics, parrots are vocal learners, constantly refining their vocalizations through experience and imitation. From a young age, parrots are immersed in a world of sound. They listen intently to the calls of their parents, siblings, and flockmates, absorbing the nuances of their vocalizations and learning the subtle variations that convey meaning within their social group. This early exposure to a rich acoustic environment lays the foundation for their future vocal development. The Apprentice Listener. Imagine a young parrot perched on a branch beside its mother, its bright eyes wide with curiosity. The rainforest hums with life, the rustling of leaves, the chirping of insects, the distant calls of other birds. Amidst this symphony of sounds, the young parrot listens intently, its developing brain absorbing the acoustic landscape that will shape its vocal future. Just as a human infant learns language by listening to its caregivers, so too does a parrot embark on its vocal journey as an apprentice listener. Every chirp, whistle, and trill serves as a building block in the parrot's developing vocal repertoire. The intricate melodies of its parents, the alarm calls of its flock, mates, the distinctive sounds of predators. All are meticulously catalogued within its remarkable memory. This early exposure to a rich acoustic environment lays the foundation for the parrot's ability to mimic and improvise with sound. Repetition and reward, building the vocal repertoire. As the apprentice listener matures, its vocalizations progress from playful babbling to more deliberate imitation. Just as a human child learns to associate words with objects and actions, so too does a parrot begin to connect specific sounds with their corresponding meanings. This process of association is reinforced through repetition and, importantly, through the rewards that often accompany successful vocal imitation. Imagine a pet parrot perched on its owner's shoulder, listening intently as the owner repeats a word or phrase. Hello, for example. The parrot, eager to please and perhaps motivated by the promise of a treat or a scratch under the wing, attempts to replicate the sound. At first, its attempts may be crude, a jumble of whistles and clicks that only vaguely resemble the target word. Context is key beyond simple mimicry. While parrots are renowned for their ability to mimic human speech and other sounds, their vocal abilities extend far beyond simple parroting. Parrots, it seems, are not merely mimicking sounds in a vacuum, they are learning to use those sounds in context, associating specific vocalizations with particular situations, individuals, or desired outcomes. Consider, for example, a parrot that has learned to say hello when its owner enters the room. The parrot is not simply repeating a sound it has memorized, it is demonstrating an understanding of the social context in which that sound is appropriate. It has learned that the sound hello is often associated with the arrival of its owner, and it uses that sound to greet its human companion. The African Grey, a master mimic. Among talking parrots, the African Grey is a virtuoso of vocal mimicry. From Central Africa, it captures hearts with its ability to replicate human speech. More than an echo, it uses words in context, astonishing humans. Imagine it observing its owner preparing a meal. It might chime in with "dinner's ready" or "that looks delicious," startling guests with its human-like intonation. These feats show its exceptional cognitive abilities. Macaws, voices of the rainforest. Macaws, with their vibrant colors, fill the rainforest with raucous calls, ear-piercing screams, and melodious whistles. Their vocalizations serve as vital communication tools, maintaining social bonds, signaling danger, and attracting mates. Imagine standing beneath the rainforest canopy, the air thick with humidity and the scent of damp earth. Suddenly the forest erupts in a cacophony of sound as a flock of macaws descends upon a fruit-laden tree. Amazons, feathered conversationalists. With vibrant plumage and vocal abilities, Amazon parrots are cherished companions. Renowned for mimicking human speech, they capture nuances with clarity. Intelligent and social, they form strong bonds and engage in lively vocal exchanges. Imagine an Amazon parrot bobbing its head to music, whistling along. Their playful vocalization is a hallmark of their boisterous personality. A meeting of minds. In the realm of interspecies relationships, the bond between humans and parrots is unique. Parrots offer a meeting of minds that transcends language and species. It's a connection forged through communication, curiosity, and humor. Parrots understand the emotional undercurrents of our conversations. Beyond words, emotional resonance. One of the most remarkable aspects of the human-parrot bond is the depth of emotional resonance that can develop between these seemingly disparate species. Parrots, it seems, are not content with merely mimicking our words. They seek to connect with us on a deeper, more emotional level, responding to our joys and sorrows, our anxieties and frustrations, with a sensitivity that can be both heartwarming and humbling. Countless parrot owners can attest to their feathered companion's uncanny ability to sense their moods. A parrot might greet its owner with enthusiastic squawks and playful nips when the owner is feeling happy and energized, only to become quiet and withdrawn when the owner is feeling stressed or upset. Some parrots have even been known to mimic the sounds of their owner's sighs or laughter as if echoing their emotional state. The parrot. As a companion, a bond built on trust. Bringing a parrot into one's life is not a decision to be taken lightly. These intelligent social creatures thrive on interaction, stimulation, and a deep sense of security within their flock, which, in the context of human companionship, includes their human caregivers. The bond between a parrot and its human companion is not one of subservience or simple amusement. It's a partnership built on trust, mutual respect, and a willingness to invest time and energy in nurturing the relationship. Parrots are creatures of habit and routine, and they thrive in environments where they feel safe, secure, and understood. Sudden changes in their environment, routine, or social dynamics can be stressful for parrots, potentially leading to behavioral issues or even health problems. Building trust with a parrot takes time, patience, and a genuine understanding of their needs and sensitivities. Beyond mimicry cognitive pioneers. Parrots have captivated us with their mimicry and vibrant personalities, but their intelligence goes beyond mimicry. Parrots are now recognized as cognitive pioneers. Research reveals their complex thought and problem-solving skills. Scientists uncover avian ingenuity and logical reasoning. Parrots rival some primates in understanding language. Problem solvers and tool users unlocking avian ingenuity. Parrots are remarkable problem solvers, displaying ingenuity and resourcefulness. From cracking nuts to using tools, their intelligence rivals many mammals. The Kea parrot, native to New Zealand, is especially known for its curiosity and problem-solving skills. Their antics, while frustrating, showcase their intelligence and adaptability. The legacy of Alex and the future of parrot cognition. No discussion of parrot intelligence would be complete without acknowledging the groundbreaking work of Dr. Irene Pepperberg and her iconic subject, Alex, an African grey parrot whose cognitive achievements revolutionized our understanding of avian intelligence. Through decades of painstaking research, Alex learned to identify over 50 different objects, distinguish between 7 colors and 5 shapes, and even understand abstract concepts like same and different, bigger and smaller, and none. Alex's accomplishments extended far beyond simple mimicry. He demonstrated a capacity for language comprehension, logical reasoning, and even a rudimentary understanding of numerical concepts that challenged long-held assumptions about the cognitive limitations of birds. His ability to communicate his thoughts and desires using human language, though limited, provided a glimpse into the inner workings of a mind far more complex than previously imagined. The echo of intelligence. As we've journeyed into the world of talking parrots, we've uncovered a depth of intelligence and a complexity of communication that extends far beyond the simple mimicry of human speech. These feathered wonders, with their vibrant plumage and captivating personalities, have challenged our assumptions about the nature of intelligence itself, revealing a capacity for thought, feeling, and even a rudimentary form of language that rivals that of some primates. From the depths of the rainforest to the confines of research labs, parrots have demonstrated an astonishing array of cognitive abilities. From solving complex puzzles and using tools, to understanding abstract concepts and forming deep emotional bonds with their human companions. Their remarkable intelligence, coupled with their highly developed social lives and their unparalleled vocal dexterity, has earned them a place among the most cognitively sophisticated creatures on Earth. Guardians of a feathered symphony. But parrots are more than just fascinating subjects of scientific inquiry. They are vital members of the ecosystems they inhabit, playing a crucial role in seed dispersal, pollination, and the maintenance of forest health. Their raucous calls, once thought to be mere noise, are now recognized as complex forms of communication, conveying vital information about food sources, potential threats, and the social dynamics of the flock. Sadly, many parrot species are facing increasing threats in the wild, their populations decimated by habitat loss, the illegal pet trade, and the effects of climate change. As we marvel at their intelligence and marvel at their beauty, we must also recognize our responsibility to protect these feathered wonders and ensure their survival for generations to come.